Welcome to the new video. Today we are going to discuss about GATE 2022 examination. The online application forms just got started yesterday. So today we will be taking the overview of this examination and we'll discuss all the important details of this examination. So the agenda of this video is to discuss about GATE 2022 examination. So first of all, as you might be aware, GATE stands for Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. This exam is conducted every year by one of the IIT or ISC Bengaluru. So this year, GATE 2022, the organizing institute is IIT Kharagpur. So IIT Kharagpur will be conducting the examination this year. So before delving into the important aspects of this GATE 2022 examination, first we'll see some of the important dates of this examination. So online application process, it got started yesterday, that is on 2nd of September. It was supposed to start on 30th of August, but due to some technical glitches it got started on 2nd of September. You can fill the GATE 2022 online application form till 24th of September. That is the closing date for regular online registration, and then there is an extended period for online registration. But in this case, a late fee will be applied. So you can also fill this GATE application form till 1st of October, but additionally some late fees will be applicable for you. So it is better to fill the form before 24th September so that late fees can be avoided. Then there is a provision to change the category, paper and examination city. If you want to change the paper code, if you want to change the examination city, then also you can change all these things, and this you can do up to 12th of November, and it will come at the cost of an additional fees. So you uh, need to remember this while applying for this examination. Then on 3rd of January, admit cards will be released by IIT Kharagpur for GATE 2022, and these are the dates of examination. So there will be two sessions in a day. Forenoon session will be from 9 a.m. to 12 noon, and afternoon session will be from 2:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. And examination will be conducted on Saturdays and Sundays. So it will start on 5th of February and it will end on 30th of February. So on any one day you will have to appear for this examination and not on all 4 days. And GATE results will be declared on 17th of March 2022. So these are some of the important dates which you need to remember while applying for this examination. Now coming to this GATE examination, first of all you should know why this exam has got so much importance, why this exam is quite important. Many students appear for this examination. First of all, to go for higher education, to go for higher education from premier institutes like IITs, ISC Bangalore, NITs, COEP and all those institutes. So you can pursue ME, MTech from these institutes on the basis of GATE score. And second most important advantage of GATE examination is recruitment in some public sector undertakings. So these PSUs like BHEL or Indian Oil, NTPC, then some HPCL, all these PSUs recruit engineers from GATE 2022. So on the basis of GATE 2022 score, they will shortlist the candidates and they will call you for group discussion and personal interview. So these are the two main primary reasons for large number of students to appear in this GATE examination. So we have understood the importance of GATE examination. Now what this examination tries to test. This examination tries to test your basic understanding, your fundamentals, whatever subject you are studying in your graduation. This examination tries to test your basic understanding, fundamentals of subject. So this you will have to keep in mind while applying for this examination. So if you see the official website of GATE 2022, so this is the official website, gate.iitkgp.ac.in. This I will mention in the description of this video. So we saw just now that IIT Kharagpur is the organizing institute for GATE 2022. You can appear in one paper or you can appear in two paper only, two paper also, but in that case you have to fill only one application form. In case of multiple applications, only one will be accepted and remaining will be rejected. So for applying you have to click here and it will open in a new window and you can fill the examination form. So important dates are mentioned here at the bottom. So yesterday only the form started for this GATE 2022 and the closing date is 24th September, and with late fees it is 1st of October 2021. So this you have to keep in mind. Now coming to the pattern or syllabus of GATE examinations, here we will be considering about mechanical engineering. So here you can see mechanical engineering. So for mechanical engineering, if you click on this it will open in a new tab. So this is the syllabus of mechanical engineering. There are total 3 sections, as you can see here, sorry, total 4 sections, and these are clearly divided into sub categories, subtopics. Like section 1 is of engineering mathematics, where your mathematics knowledge will be tested. Then section 2 is applied mechanics and design part, which includes engineering mechanics, then strength of materials, theory of machines, vibration and machine design part. Then we have section 3, which deals with thermal engineering and fluid mechanics. So we have here fluid mechanics, heat transfer, thermodynamics and its application, like in power plant engineering, in internal combustion engines, in turbo machines, in refrigeration and air conditioning. So all these application parts are also included in this. And then finally we have production engineering part, where it includes materials engineering. Then we have casting, forming and joining processes, machining and machine tool operations, metrology, computer integrated manufacturing, production planning, inventory control and operation research. So these last three topics forms part of your industrial engineering. So this is the syllabus, official syllabus, which is available on GATE 2022 website, so you can download it for your reference. Also I have uploaded it on my Telegram channel. Link of Telegram channel you can find in the description box of this video. Now if we see the paper pattern, we'll come to this aptitude part later on. First we need to go through the question paper pattern. So this exam will be conducted in computer based mode, that is it will be a computer based test, the duration of which will be of 3 hours. The sections include general aptitude and the subject which you have selected while filling the online application form. So type of questions, so this forms the important form. There are two types of questions which will be asked in GATE examination. One is multiple choice questions, where a question will be given and there will be 4 options given to that question. This is your multiple choice question. And then we have multiple select questions or numerical answer type question. So in multiple select question, more than one option will be correct, so you can choose more than one option as your correct answer. And in numerical answer type, no options will be provided. You have to solve the numerical and you have to enter the value, the final answer, through with the help of keyboard. So the numerical value you have to enter after solving the particular numerical question. So this you need to keep in mind while preparing for this GATE examination. And what is actually tested? So questions will be testing these abilities: your ability to recall, your ability to comprehend the question, the application part of it, like we saw power plant engineering, internal combustion engines. So these are the application part of our thermal sciences. Then analysis and synthesis part. So basically questions will be framed, questions will be set on basis of these points. So you need to keep this in mind. So how many number of questions are there? Total 65 questions are there. Out of 65 questions, 10 questions are of general uh, aptitude, and 55 will be from our specific subject, that is mechanical engineering. So this you need to keep in mind. So if we see the distribution of marks, then general aptitude, here it is given. General aptitude will be of 15 marks, and the subject will carry 85 marks, so total 100 marks, and the time in minutes is 180 minutes, that is 3 hours. You have to remember this while attempting the exam. There is negative marking in case of multiple choice question only. So for 1 mark question, 1/3 of marks will be deducted, and for 2 mark question, 2/3 of marks will be deducted. But there is no negative marking for multiple select question and numerical answer type question. So this you have to remember while attempting the question. So only in case of multiple choice questions there is a negative marking. There is no negative marking for multiple select questions and numerical answer type question. This, kindly remember this while attempting the mock test, while attempting the actual examination. So here the distribution of marks is given. So aptitude will carry 15 marks, mathematics will carry 13 marks, so this is 28 marks, and the subject questions, so 72 marks. So 72 marks worth questions will be asked from mechanical engineering, and the combined total is 100 marks. So this you have to remember while preparing for GATE examination. Now moving on, you can download the previous year question papers here. Just select the year here, and whichever year you want, you select the year and you select the subject. Like here, if we select mechanical engineering, so like this the option will appear, you click on this, and your automatic download will start. So like this you can download the previous year question papers of GATE examination, and it is advisable to go through previous year questions before taking up any subject. It will give an idea while preparing that what kind of questions previously were asked in this GATE examination. So in that direction you can prepare for this examination. Now while applying, you have to choose the examination cities. So up to 3 examination centers you have to choose. Here it is written, a candidate can choose 3 cities from list of examination, and all 3 choices must be from same GATE zone. So like suppose we consider IIT Bombay, so you click on this, you will get the list of examination cities and towns. So any 3 you have to select out of these options. So carefully select the examination cities. Later they might not allow you also, means they are allowing, but at the cost of additional fees. And GATE 2022 will not be conducted in any international center due to COVID pandemic. So this is obvious. Then there is eligibility criteria. So most important question for students is, am I eligible to write this examination? Yes, you are eligible if you are in third year or final year of engineering, or you have completed your engineering. So this is the only case which we get. So here they have mentioned clearly, a candidate who is studying in third or higher years of any undergraduate degree program. So if you are pursuing BE BTech program, so the qualifying degree is your bachelor's degree in engineering or technology. So it can be 4 years after 12th standard, or it can be 3 years after diploma in engineering or technology. So the description of eligible candidates is, you must be either in third year or final year, or you have already completed your engineering. So this is the basic eligibility criteria which we need to keep in mind. So second year students cannot apply for this examination. Only third year and final year students who are pursuing their engineering currently from any of the institute in India are eligible to apply for this examination. And obviously the graduates who have completed their engineering, they can apply for this examination. So just keep this in mind while applying for this examination. Now what are documents are required for filling the online application form? So you will need your personal information like name, date of birth, your personal mobile number, parents name, parents mobile number, etc. So you provide all these details carefully and in correct manner. Here you go through it. The whatever photo ID you will be mentioning, the same you will have to produce while appearing for GATE examination at the center. So remember this. and the name which you will be entering, the same name will reflect on your gate 2022 scorecard. So this also you have to keep in mind. You should not use prefix titles such as Mr. Shri and all this. You should not use before your name. Then you will require address for communication, eligibility, degree details. So if you are studying in third year or final year, you have to select accordingly. Then the college name and address from where you have pursuing your engineering or you have completed your engineering along with pin code. Then gate paper, whatever paper you have selected. So suppose in our case it is mechanical engineering. Then three choices you have to select. Then you will require a photograph of high quality. So they have specified the photograph quality, photograph pixel size, all that in brochure. You go through it and you prepare your photograph in that dimension. Then signature is also required. Then if you are from SC/ST category, then scanned copy of SC/ST certificate is needed. Then scanned copy of PWD certificate. If you are a person with disability, then you will require this 10th point. Then this may not be applicable for most of the students, that is certificate of dyslexia. Then you have to upload scanned copy of any of the valid photo identity document, like Aadhaar is preferable they are saying. Then passport, PAN card, voter ID, driving license. So same you have to upload, and the same ID in original must be carried to examination hall. And finally you have to pay the fee. So net banking, you can use net banking, debit card, credit card or UPI for fee payment. So these are all the things which you have to use, which you will require while applying for this examination. So where this is found, you go here in registration, you see here documents required for filling the application, and here we had discussed the eligibility criteria. And still if you have any more doubts, you click on this frequently asked questions, and here you go through your doubts. Now the last point is the fees for this examination. So if you are a female candidate, so then the fees is 750. This is for 30th August to 24th September. So if you are filling this uh, get application form till 24th of September, then 750 is applicable. And as I told you, from 25th September to 1st of October, additional late fees will be charged, so that is 1250. For SC/ST and person with disability candidates, it is 750. And for all other candidates like open category, unreserved, that is for OBC candidates, it is 1500 for regular period and 2000 for late extended period. So this you have to keep in mind. And following charges will be charged additionally if you want to change any of the thing. Suppose if you want to change the examination city, so 500 will be charged extra. So like this, please remember while filling this, you fill carefully the online application form, otherwise you will have to incur additional cost, and there will be no refund of any fee other than failed transaction. So these are the basic details which we discussed for this gate examination. It's a good opportunity for the engineering students and engineering graduates. I must say you should apply for this examination to test the understanding of subject whichever you are studying in your engineering or have studied in your engineering. This examination gives you multiple benefits. If you have a valid scorecard, even some private organizations are also looking for gate candidates, so in that case also it will be helpful to you. So in case you have any queries, you can go here on contact us, and you can contact the organizing institute through email or phone number. Probably your queries will be addressed. So this is all we have for our discussion. If you have any queries, mentioned in the bottom of the chat box, I will definitely address your doubts. So here they have mentioned the contact details, so you can contact on any of these mail IDs and phone numbers. So hope this information was useful for you. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share with your friends. Thank you.